Merhaba, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world's most delicious and intriguing dishes. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Turkish cuisine to uncover the hidden secrets and unknown facts behind the iconic dish known as Imam Bayildi. Get ready for a mouth-watering journey through time and flavor. But before we unveil the mysteries, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our culinary adventures. Our journey begins with the fascinating history of Imam Bayildi, which literally translates to, the Imam fainted. Legend has it that this dish was so rich and delicious that an Imam, a Muslim religious leader, fainted upon tasting it. Another fascinating fact is that the earliest known written recipe for Imam Bayildi dates back to the 19th century in an Ottoman cookbook. Now, let's delve into the ingredients that make Imam Bayildi so mouth-wateringly delicious. 4 small to medium-sized eggplants. 1/2 cup olive oil. 1 onion, finely chopped. 3-4 garlic cloves, minced. 2 tomatoes, diced. 1/2 cup chopped fresh parsley. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. Lemon wedges for serving. First and foremost, we have these beautiful, glossy eggplants. Did you know that Turkey is one of the world's top producers of olive oil? The high-quality Turkish olive oil used in Imam Bayildi contributes to its rich, silky texture. Garlic and tomatoes are essential to the flavor profile of Imam Bayildi. The garlic adds a delightful pungency, while the tomatoes provide acidity and sweetness. Fresh herbs like parsley and mint give Imam Bayildi its vibrant, aromatic finish. The use of these herbs is a testament to Turkish cuisine's emphasis on freshness and balance. The first step is to slice the eggplants and soak them in salted water. Did you know that eggplants belong to the nightshade family and can sometimes have a bitter taste? Soaking them in salt water helps neutralize this bitterness. Once the eggplants are fried, it's time to make small incisions and stuff them with a flavorful mixture of sautéed onions, garlic, tomatoes, and aromatic herbs. The stuffed eggplants are then arranged neatly in a baking dish, and any remaining tomato and olive oil mixture is poured over them. This ensures that every bite is bursting with flavor. Now, it's time for the cooking process. Presentation is key in Turkish cuisine, and Imam Bayildi is no exception. It's often garnished with fresh herbs and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. While the classic Imam Bayildi is undeniably amazing, Turkish cuisine is known for its regional variations and innovations. In some regions of Turkey, you'll find variations of Imam Bayildi that include minced meat, such as lamb or beef. During special occasions and celebrations, you might come across a festive version of Imam Bayildi known as Sultan's Delight. This dish features tender chunks of meat, often lamb or beef, layered with eggplants and topped with a creamy bechamel sauce. It's proof that Turkish cuisine has something for everyone. Beyond its culinary excellence, Imam Bayildi holds a special place in Turkish culture and traditions. In Turkey, sharing a meal is a cherished social activity, and Imam Bayildi often takes center stage at family gatherings and celebrations. It's a symbol of warmth, hospitality, and togetherness. During religious holidays and special occasions like weddings, Imam Bayildi is often featured on the menu as a symbol of prosperity and good fortune. It's believed that serving this dish brings blessings to the occasion. The name, Imam Bayildi, itself carries a hint of folklore. This dish isn't just a culinary masterpiece, it's also a nutritional powerhouse. Imam Bayildi is packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Eggplants are a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're also low in calories, making this dish a guilt-free pleasure. The olive oil used in Imam Bayildi is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It's been associated with reducing the risk of heart disease and promoting overall health. The fresh herbs used as garnish not only enhance the flavor but also add essential vitamins and minerals. Mint, for example, can aid digestion, and parsley is a great source of vitamin K. When you combine all these ingredients, you get a dish that's not only incredibly delicious but also good for your well-being. Before we wrap up, let's address some common myths and misconceptions about Imam Bayildi. While it does require some preparation and patience, it's certainly doable for home cooks with a bit of practice. Imam Bayildi is always vegetarian. As we've seen, there are variations that include meat, catering to different tastes and preferences. It's important to separate fact from fiction when it comes to culinary traditions. Imam Bayildi is a versatile dish with a rich history, and it's worth exploring all its facets. And there you have it, folks. The tantalizing tale of Imam Bayildi, a Turkish culinary masterpiece filled with history, flavor, and cultural significance. From its humble origins to its modern-day variations, this dish has stood the test of time and continues to delight taste buds around the world. Before we go, I want to leave you with a challenge. Try making Imam Bayildi at home. It's a rewarding experience that connects you to centuries of culinary tradition. As we savor the flavors of this dish, let's also remember the lessons it carries. A reminder to appreciate life's simple pleasures and the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones. Thank you for joining us on this delectable journey through Turkish cuisine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Until next time, Afiyet olsun.